Good morning, class. So today we will learn all about matrix. First, we will define matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. Several of them are referred to as matrices. So, example of matrix.
Oh, hindi ko na naman alam ang sagot. Chismisan ka pa sa likod eh. Go back to your seat now.
Ako to si Athena dati. Tamad mag-aaral, laging tulala, at lagi ako napapagalitan ni Sir Kim. Siya nga pala, ito si Sir Kim.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So now, letter 3. Lord be the Father, and the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, now, and will be forever. Okay, class. Your report for today is postponed. Nag-iikat is sa faculty regarding career guidance. So, alam mo ang pangarap nyo ba? Ang career guidance, ito yung pagpili ng course or career na gusto nyo. That's why I encourage everyone to wear your best career outfit for this upcoming event. So, di ba ako gusto ko kayo tanungin, anong maba ang mga pangarap nyo? Yes,
Sir, I want to become engineer
why?
because that is my dream and also that is my passion. I like buildings and houses.
Yes.
Sir, for me, I want to become a doctor because I'm part of family.
I want to become a police because my father is a major general here in Philippines.
Yes.
For me, sir, I want to become a tourism because I love traveling and also maraming opportunities yung mga tourist. So, hindi lang siya nag-work sa airplane as a FA and also pwede din siya sa ship, sa hospital and also sa company.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
And next, you, the last one.
I want to become a teacher. I want to become a teacher because in the first place, aside from it's my dream ever since I was a kid, I was inspired by my teachers. During my kindergarten, I saw them nurturing and guiding every kid that will set to be the hope of tomorrow. So I also want to share my passion in teaching and caring for the youth. So I wanted to share my knowledge.
Sis, sigurado ka ba sa kukunin yung course? Alam
Kaya
mo ba?
ba? Bakit teacher? Tignan mo naman, sister. Stress.
Kaya ang tao sa ang baba, parang sa akin. Ang dami na pang ibang course doon. Like,
I know kasi I believe teaching is the noblest profession among other professions. And also, I believe it's not the most highest paying job in the world, but it can, give you fulfillment or satisfaction by sharing what you have for the youth, and it will be good. So, good afternoon, everyone. Today we will going to discuss about assessment. Before that, I want you to give me one word that you know about or any word related to assessment. Okay, who wants to go first? Yes, Mr. Earl.
Documentation.
Next, Evan Gray. Okay, very good. Next.
Feedback.
Feedback. Very good. Any other answer? Yes.
Dear Sir Kim, thank you for continually inspires me to do my best. You help me strive for goals. I found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love. Everything in one person. And that person is you. Now sir, ako na to, si Athena. Tumatayo na po ako sa dati niyong pinagtatayuan at ako na po ay nagtuturo sa sarili kong estudyante. Tama nga po ang sinabi niyo sir, na kailangan kong maging masipag lalo na sa pag-aaral kung gusto kong makamit yung gusto kong kunin balang araw. At ngayon, nakuha ko na. Nandito na ako, nakatayo na ako sir, at nang dahil sa'yo, lahat ng yun ay natupad.
Sir,
Yes.
I just would like to extend my gratitude for your effort and dedication in teaching us and inspiring me to become a good teacher like you. I hope we get to model a good teacher for the student in the near future.
Thank you na. Alam mo naman ang teacher is isa sa mahirap na lumatiin. Pero meron ako isang potential sa iyo na magagamit mo in the future.
Thank you so much.